I'm working with so many clients. When they ask me to build a website, I don't want the ACH or ACSS or any plugins that we are using for development purpose. So a while ago, I built this simple plugin, Disable Admin Hide. If I click here, as we can see now, we can see all the plugins, user, meta box, WP box, and etc. So in this case, the user doesn't see those menus. So I improved the plugin, and now you can see we have the sections. So we have start here, content, ACCT, payments. You can personalize them. In fact, if I go directly here in tools, you can see that we have Menu Manager. When you go here, you can see that right now only the super admin can see everything. Otherwise, the classic user, even if it's an admin, they won't see anything either. So here we have this. We have start here, content, ACCT, payment, and management, and I can even reorder them. If I, example, put content before start here, I can save it, and then when you refresh the page, you can see that the content is on top, and then there is start here. So you can rename all of them as you want. Also, if you hide this component, this menu, you don't see it anymore. So the user won't see that. In fact, only the development part is hide. And then when you install another plugin, it goes in unassign. So in fact, example, WP is going here, and rank math as well, because the client don't need to see it, or at least they don't really care, you know. So now you can see that here there are others, but then if I refresh the page, they are gone. So yeah, this is super simple, but my clients love that, and I love it too. So if you have any question, let me know. Bye.